We start by inflating either a 160Q or a 260Q depending on what size of bubbles you are making. Ensure that you let a good puff of air out of the balloon before you tie it. First of all, you want to create your first bubble, and now you're going to lock this between your second and your third finger, and it's very important that we don't let go. Now you're going to continue the process by making more bubbles of the same size. The most important thing is that you always twist the balloon in the same direction. You will notice that I twist the balloon towards my body. If the balloon becomes tight, just give it a little squeeze to remove any tension and just continue until you have the desired length. And you will see that as long as you hold the first bubble and the remaining part of the balloon, that the chain will never come undone. Again, I'm just removing a little bit of tension from the balloon to ensure that I can continue making the bubbles. When we go to put the bubbles into a design, again, it is very important you don't just let go of the chain. You take either end, probably the knotted end, which is the one that I've locked between my fingers, connect that into the design where you want the bubbles to start, hold the other end, and then when you've got to the finishing point, you add those in there and twist it off and remove any excess.